words of sin. God sent the pussy lips and his barbaric Molly. We all swimming it up while they travel to Bali. Where's the future in private schools? Where's the future in brainwashed youth? No future, no future, no future for you. God sent the pussy lips and his fellow crew. They all silence to dance because silence is better.